I will take you around today. You see all of the terminals, from terminal 1A until 1D. So come with me. Today you will enjoy this video. So this is terminal 1A. This is how our airport looks like. Terminal 1A. So smart, I want to go very slow so that you can see. Terminal 1A. So this is Terminal 1A. Then I will take you to Terminal 1B. This is a passenger. Terminal 1A has a lot of gates. It has a lot of gates. This is Terminal 1A. I think you have seen. Has a lot of gates. Terminal 1A, it serves gates like gate 22, gate 21, gate 20, gate 19. Yeah. It has also some international arrivals the other side. So those flights are arriving in gate 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All of them, they come here. There is an ambulance here. It means there is a patient. So there is an ambulance this side. There is a patient who is seriously sick. Then we are on to Terminal 1B. This is Terminal 1B. I will take you to see. We have passengers here who have come to Terminal 1B. This is Terminal 1B. That's how it looks like. Terminal 1B, it serves a lot of gates. Gate 17, gate 18. Also, it serves gate 16, gate 15, gate 14 also. This is Terminal 1B. Very smart. Terminal 1C. We are on to Terminal 1C. This is my beloved airport. This is passenger walkways. You can call it a zebra crossing. There is a restaurant here in it is called Jaffa House in Terminal 1B. So we are on to Terminal 1C. Terminal 1C, it serves like many gates. You start from gate 4, gate 5, gate 6, gate 7, gate 8, gate 9, gate 10, gate 11, and gate 12. All of them, they come here, or it serves all those gates. This is Terminal 1C. Flights like Air Arabia, if you have booked Air Arabia, remember to come at gate 1C. Fly Emirates, 1C. Malawi Airlines, 1C. Ethiopian Airline, 1C. So most of the flights are for Terminal 1C, most of them. So I think you have seen Terminal 1C, how it looks like. So smart, Very, very, very smart. Terminal 1C, I think you can be able to see now. You can now be able to see Terminal 1C is here with me. It serves international departures. of various countries. I already shown you Terminal 1B, the other side. Our airport is U-shaped. U-shaped. So if you start from 1A, you come to 1B, you come to 1C, then you go to 1D. So we have also shades. In case it is raining, you can just walk directly from Terminal 1A to 1C, or from 1C to 1A. You can walk on this shade, this one. This is from Terminal 1C here until 1A. Even you can go to 1B without having any problem. So I want to show you Terminal 1D. So my aim for this video was to show you the terminals and the flights it serves. So we are on to Terminal 1D so that you can be able to see. So we are done with the 1A, 1B, and now this is 1C. We are finished. Let's go to 1D. So this is 1C. In 1C, we have effort bin. In case you are eating something and it has remained, you throw here. So you are not supposed to make the area dirty. You would be arrested. We want to go to Terminal 1D. We have a Ministry of Labor here and Social Protection. In case you want to fly, you are on to work, you must pass here, the Ministry of Labor here. Boy, I'm now tired. Now this is Terminal 1D, that is a sign. So the sign, it shows you where you will be able to get Terminal 1D. And Terminal 1D mostly is for domestic flights. This is our airport. So Terminal 1D now is for domestic flights. Domestic flights, it means those flights within the country. Flights from Moi International Airport, Mombasa. Flights from Moi International Airport, Kisumu. From Moi International Airport, Eldoret. Flights from Ukunda. All of them from coast region, they come here from within the country. Within, it means flights from inside the country. So Terminal 1D, I want to show you Terminal 1D, how it looks like. Police, they are everywhere. They are every place with guns, ready to shoot any person who is causing problems, like now, who is bringing insecurity issue to our country. So Jomo Kenyatta is not a joke. It's not an airport where you can joke. It's one of the... So we have sales office ticketing for Kenya Airways here. We have domestic departures here. So this is Terminal 1D. You can be able to see Terminal 1D. It is here. Main offices are here in Terminal 1D. So Rwanda Air, their office is in 1A. Air Tanzania, I've said Rwanda Air, their office is in Terminal 1B. It is here. Air Tanzania is here. Rwanda Air, Air Tanzania. There is another airline called ALS. The office is in Terminal 1D. So be very careful. When you come to the airport, you will be able to know which place are you. This is a VIP lounge, chumba cha mapumziko. VIP is for very important people only. So this is how our terminal looks like. That's the parking. That is when you are coming from town. There is a parking there. Then you go to Terminal 1, you go to Terminal 1A, you go to Terminal 1B, you go to Terminal 1C and 1D, the way I've already shown you. So thank you. Be blessed.